y'all, so we're here. Just to update on everything real quickly because we finna go to the resort. Our flight was at 10 this morning. We just got here. My phone says 12:20. Isn't it an hour back? Is stuff an hour back? Yeah. Right, so I think my phone is saying, so is it really 11:20 or did my phone go back?
It's 11 to 11, yeah.
11 what?
It's 11. Oh no, it must be 12:20.
It has to be, cause yeah. So time on the hour back
we landed
when we got here, but we left Atlanta at 10, so it's really 1:20 in Atlanta, but 12:20 here. Everything was pretty cool. It was we had to fill out a lot of forms though, just as far as like where are we staying, how long are we gonna be here, show them our COVID test. Like, it was a lot of forms and stuff we had to fill out before we could actually even get on the plane. Once we got on the plane, y'all, I slept the whole time. I was too tired. The flight was about 2 hours long, so that was cool. It was chill. I literally was asleep the whole time, so couldn't tell y'all nothing about that. So we just got off and we are in Jamaica now. We are about to head to our resort, so make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be a lit vlog, so stay tuned.
Very good, man. I live in Jamaica. Yeah. It's a very good. Anthony Miller.
Wagwan. Wagwan.
Yeah, man.
They gotta come in here.
5.
He looking at me like, why am I recording him? Wagwan.
You need something else now.
What else can we say?
Anthony Miller.
I need some
autograph?
I need some smooth.
Yeah, what you saying now? You were talking to me?
What else can we say?
Other than agua.
Wagwan.
Agua is the one.
No, it's not agua. It's
Yeah.
wagwan.
Yeah. What was it? Agua.
Wagwan.
How do you say goodbye?
You said agua?
We never
You're
said
embarrassing.
Later.
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 Instead of late, later.
Later. Okay, I like that.
Little more.
Later.
Right now.
Later.
Syria.
See ya.
We're there.
We're there.
What does that mean?
We're here.
What day?
We're there.
Yeah, this is nice.
We're here, you guys.
Yeah,
It's so
yeah.
pretty.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Hey, congratulations. Enjoy every minute of it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to get that too. Come on down. Welcome. Thank you so much.
Hi. Wagwan. No, what does it mean?
Medea means I'm here. I'm here chilling. You know, relax. You can
Medea.
make most of that. Yes, Medea.
Medea.
Someone what's up? Medea.
Medea.
Yes.
Thank you. Here is so nice. We're currently checking in, y'all. I swear to God, we got off the plane at, what time y'all think we got off? Oh, it's not that late. What time y'all think we got off the plane? Was it 12 or 1?
We out the plane around.
I think it was 12, and it's 3 o'clock now.
What time did we get on? We got on at 10.
He been drinking that drink.
No, we was walking through the exchange thing and like,
What would you rate it?
not you cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay, you guys, so we're here. Period. It's so pretty. Tell me it's not pretty. If you tell me it's not pretty, you hating. You're hating. So they assigned us a person for like the whole trip who was gonna like make our reservations and stuff.
Gonna give us a small tour.
A small tour of the resort.
Take a picture, girls.
Oh, period. Don't play with us.
We are up here.
My mama, my sister, period. Look, y'all. Tell me this not
You go to
noise.
bowling alley. Bowling alley.
Oh, okay, bowling alley over here. Oh yeah, right there.
It's by the pool.
Okay.
King Club.
Oh yeah, I'm there. Italian food. Jamaican food right here. Jamaican restaurant. Look at your boy. Look at your boy.
They're bigger than the hard rock, isn't it?
To it.
Man, they gonna make me cry.
Girl, you feel like your eyelashes?
That's giving you a
All right, y'all, so let me show y'all the hotel room. So here's the bathroom. This is so cute, y'all. Look, this is so cute. Come on, toilet. Shower. Okay, here goes the bathroom with the bathtub, period. Don't play with us. Peek the sink. Yeah, don't play with us. All right, then we have like this closet right here with the drawers. I might put myself in the closet, low key. Our safe with a refrigerator with the drinks in it. Don't play with us. Coffee. Another closet with the drawers. And look.
okay, because I need to give it, or I need to give it to my guy, Ryan.
It's it on to y'all.
I need to give
Look,
Ryan
y'all.
10. So you gonna bring me 5 for that?
Yeah, if you come back, give me 5, then give me
Look at my back and get my
You
slide.
gonna give him this?
Yeah, that's my boy. What are you talking about?
Okay.
That's why he sent me a video. To
Okay.
take care of you.
You take care of Ryan now.
Look at the floor, y'all.
That's my boy, man.
Ron, give me my slides. Give me my slides.
This is so cute. My favorite part and the main reason why we chose this hotel was because of this.
They like right there. Like once you open it.
It's the walkout pool for me. Yeah, don't play with us. Walk right out and we in the water. Yes, sir. This is so cute. Yeah. They got their own room, but this me and Lana room. And my mom's.
Oh, yeah, that is mine. So,
First thing we doing, getting in the water. We done got in the water so quick, y'all. Look at my brother, y'all. He can't swim. He over here practicing. Ah! Look, he talking about you see me. Wait, where are you in the camera? All right, y'all. We eating again. We got some pina coladas. What's some Jamaican food? She got oxtails, rice, mac and cheese, potatoes. With the pina colada. We're gonna get in the pool after this, y'all. Y'all, I should have brought my camera out with us in the room, but I thought we was getting in the pool, so I didn't bring my camera because we're at the beach now. But I left my camera in the room. So we about to go get on this swing. It's so cute. We really been lit. We just ate, took some pictures. Oh my God. Y'all thought it wasn't rocks, but it's still rocks right here. There's like rocks. We're trying to get to the swing. I'm not walking that far. Ouch. Oh my God, y'all. Look at the rocks. Can y'all see? That's what I'm saying. That's what I just said. But we here now. Okay. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Yeah, we walked in the rocks. Is it cold? Beach water always be cold. Woo! I'm recording. I'm not live. Y'all, the beach water is always so cold. Oh my God. Oh, and I was just complaining about being hot, but this junk is cold. Okay, we're going to that swing right there. It's so cute. We'll probably get some cute pictures. All right, y'all. So we made it to the cabana. This is literally so cute. I really don't even like beach pictures like that, but I know these are cute. And y'all see this little cute cabana. Yeah, we're just having fun out here, chilling at the beach. We're gonna go bowling and get dinner for the rest of the night. So we just chilling until it's time for those things. We're gonna get cute too. So, okay. All right, we'll tune in with y'all later. Oh my gosh, y'all all right, you guys, so it is now dinner time. We are all dressed for dinner. Should have my bag. I have on this like coral, I guess, coral dress. With this bag. This is how it looks. Hold on. Okay. This is how it looks. I did my makeup. Let me show you my makeup. I cannot find no spot with good lighting. Okay, this is good. So we finna go eat. I am pretty hungry. Y'all hungry? I gotta take pictures. I just took some cute selfies though. I did in this bathtub because I could not find good lighting nowhere, so I had to go into the bathtub. But we're about to go eat, so I'll tune in with you guys when we get to the restaurant. Oh, all right, y'all. So we're basically walking to find food now. It looks so pretty here at nighttime. They basically, as y'all probably heard earlier when they was kind of giving us like the tour, it's a whole bunch of restaurants, kind of like a little town center, and like we can go to whichever one we want to go to. So we got to figure out which one we want to go to. This one is called Showtime. It looks cute, but honestly the whole setup looks nice out here. All right, y'all, so my food came. So I ordered chicken Alfredo, and I also ordered chicken Parmesan, but I'm still waiting for that. But this is the chicken Alfredo. It looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and taste test this for y'all, because I always
Put that little thing at the top, that decoration.
Right. But where's the rest of it? The chicken, the actual Parmesan. Hot. Good, that's fresh.
I'm gonna take one for that.
I mean, that's what you see now, like.
Pretty good.
I'm really gonna say pina colada.
I would probably rate it 7.5. Maybe an 8. You're from the South without telling me you're from the South.
Thank you.
You heard me? Yeah.
Let's see what this is.
Maybe an 8.
Really should go.
Good morning, guys. So it is currently day 2 of our Jamaica trip. Yesterday I feel like I stopped filming when we were at the restaurant. We ended up eating what did we do after we ate? We went back to the hotel room. Oh, I took pictures yesterday, so let me insert my pictures right here. So yeah, so once we finished all of that, we ended up going to a sports bar, and that was pretty lit. We going to an after party today, so I might vlog some of the after party so y'all can see how lit we be. We finna go whitewater rafting. Oh y'all, look, I got my phone in this water thing. I'm trying to see if I want to bring my camera. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera if we're gonna get like soaked, but I can probably film on my phone because I don't want my camera to get wet.
Where you gonna put the?
Oh, look at our water shoes, y'all.
You might not want to take it off because the bugs can be all over.
Aren't they kind of cute?
You ready?
They're like socks.
Leave your stuff up there. For your phone.
All right, y'all. So we're walking to where we gotta go. It's so pretty out here. As y'all can see, this is what we finna be going on. We all have our own tube, but I think we're gonna be connected. So it's gonna be fun. We gotta walk. He says like a 5-minute walk to get to where we're going.
So where we walk, this river is the border of 2 parishes in Jamaica. St. Anne and Trelawney. Where the river is running, that's Trelawney.
Trelawney.
That's right. You heard about Usain Bolt?
Yes.
So that's where Usain Bolt is from.
Trelawney.
Trelawney.
Okay.
You ever heard about Bob Marley? Fall then fall.
Better to
So
crawl
that means
than
you're
fall.
gonna take your time.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We finna walk on the
we finna get
waterfalls.
online.
This is
Hands
so.
and knees, yeah.
This is so pretty. Ooh, it's cold.
It's better to take your time.
Ooh. Yeah. It's so cold.
As I said, the whole river is 27 miles long.
27 miles?
But we're doing 3 miles.
Okay.
Alright, so the other 24 is back that side.
It feels good.
Alright, and the river is coming from up in the hills.
From up the hills?
Yeah, from up in the mountains.
Okay.
It's coming from Montego Bay. Normally when the rain falls and the river it gets pretty heavy,
Yeah.
going down now it's going to take us like 45 minutes to an hour to go down.
Okay.
When it's rainy, it takes us like 15 to 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes.
That's so fast.
No, I'm the type to fall. Woo, y'all. Oh my God. Okay. Whew. Y'all, the water is so. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Okay. Thank you. You just gotta step. Just step, Lana.
Listen, keep it right here.
Just trust the rocks.
Right here, it's not me. No.
Trust the rocks.
Oh, you got me to put my feet in the water.
Yeah, come on. You gotta trust the rocks. We just went up that. I wish I would have seen it, but I made a mistake and recorded it in slow motion. But we going to the waterfalls first. This junk is lit, y'all. There's so many rocks, bro. Let's take a picture, guys.
You gotta get back, little mama.
Cause we really out here. For real. Look, y'all. Okay, here we go.
Let me put my phone down.
You're gonna wait. You're gonna reach to the shore right here.
This one?
That's right.
Okay.
Step down. Step down. And stay close to the
Okay. Y'all, the water is so cold.
Oh, I forgot I had this couch on. This gonna get
Oh my God, it's so cold. It is refreshing, but it's cold. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, wait. My slide is falling. Wait, my shoe. Okay. Yeah, my whole shoe just tried to come off. Wait. Okay. Okay. Look, y'all, watch this. It's a deep little spot, bro.
I just make your way around. Make your way around.
Go around. This is so pretty, though. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. What? Okay. You ready? We ready. Don't rub your lashes like that. Okay. Video of us. Look, y'all. We all right here on the waterfall. It's literally so pretty. Look at them though. Say hey. Hold on. Say hey, y'all. You should take a picture. I can't see that good. I got it. Okay, wait. No, he said you go first. Okay. Keep your legs straight, Mom. Wait. You did it right. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Y'all don't understand.
These are cheap.
Ooh, I want some pictures right there. I know those look cute. Woo! You did it right. Good job. All right, y'all, we're in the tubes.
Got it all under control. Hey,
Say cheese. I hope I got it. It's hard to tap with this.
follow directions, Javon.
Alright, hold on to her. This rock look cool.
Let me see it. No. It doesn't look like anything. Wait, Javon, what are you doing?
Hey, you're not paying attention, guys. You gonna have us going. Grab my feet. If you follow directions, it will work. He's been doing this for 6 years.
Alright,
There
listen.
we go.
He's going down. You don't need to be scared, alright?
Okay.
To the bushes, don't be scared. No snakes, no piranhas, nothing to worry about. All you got to do is just hold your head down. Alright?
Okay.
Go into a rock. Don't be scared. The easiest time for you guys to flip is when you
Okay. Well, we freak out.
Going to the rock, I don't want you to lean to the other side.
Don't do nothing.
Just sit.
Just sit.
Yeah!
Go, go. Jump and look this side.
Look that way?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God. All right, y'all. So we get into the end, and we basically. Who picked this one? You decided to do that. We are going into the ocean. Like, this is where it ends, but it's getting so deep. I'm so scared for my brothers, because why are they by themselves like that? Oh, jeez.
Where we going?
Wait, get Mir. I'm scared. Get Mir.
It's so hard. It's so hard.
Y'all did good, though.
Where do we want to go? Oh, he just taking us.
Oh, look at the beach.
Oh my God. We made it.
All right, y'all look.
Yes. We were scared for a second. Yeah. All right, you guys. So we just finished tubing.
Yeah,
this is
man.
Andre. He helped us. So when y'all come here, ask for Andre.
That's right, man.
He was great.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Say something. One love. One
Yeah,
love.
man. Jamaica is the place to be, man. River Rapid Adventure.
River Rapid.
Yeah. So we left tubing. Don't mind my hair, y'all. Y'all know my hair got wet. My lace start coming up. But we came to some shops because we wanted to get like some shorts and stuff. They showed us some shops. And now we're at this place and we got beef patties. The beef patties here are so good. Like the ones in Atlanta, I'm not touching none of this. Beef patty. It's not good. Let me see. Okay, she has a Jamaican apple. Let me taste this. This is a dessert. It's called cheese bread. Is this called cheese bread? Bun.
Bun. B-U-N. Bun.
Bun.
Yeah, bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese.
It's banana bread.
Oh, no. Okay, what's the,
You have Mountain Dew, you have Chinese strawberry melon. That one?
It's cold.
So you can cook with ice. Cook with ice.
this is fruity, yeah.
It's pretty good.
We want some of my sugar cane.
Okay, wait, it's sugar cane. Oh my god. Wait.
You
Let me see.
Yeah, you chew the juice and spit the trash. You don't swallow the trash. You don't chew the juice.
Just suck the juice.
I'm gonna see y'all do it. I'm gonna record it.
That was good.
You like the bun and cheese?
Wait, I want to try it. I'm vlogging.
You suck the juice. And you throw it away.
And you throw the trash.
Okay.
Okay, I want to try it.
Look at how long.
Thank you.
Split it with me.
Yeah.
We can have it? Okay.
Don't split it, eat it.
Just chew it.
Okay. Okay, here.
Vegan, you can have it too.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Okay.
It's good.
It's nice. It's refreshing.
I know, really, it is. It's like sweet, but it's refreshing.
Just chew it and spit the trash.
Do you buy these or you just go?
Buy it if you feel too strong, you buy
Do
it.
you buy them or you go get them? You go check them
I
out?
buy it.
It's good. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like refreshing, like water, but
How
with
y'all eat
sweetness.
them?
Just
Look
chew
to
it.
it. Look.
Just like this, and then you peel it.
You
Just
basically
like
want,
it if you buy it.
Oh, that's how it looks.
This is the sugar cane, you peel
let me
it.
give you out there.
See?
Yeah.
Put down the black, so this is what you're eating.
Okay, so that's how it looks.
And then
Yeah.
you peel it.
It's good.
I wish they could like.
No, we about to try the Jamaican apple. Okay, wait. Oh, because I didn't expect it to look like that. Me either.
Take a picture of it.
Okay, look. It's like a big
They
seed
can
in
have it.
it.
I don't eat food like that.
Boy, you better taste
Eat.
this.
Oh,
This
eat.
came out our tree. This fresh.
You need
Do they
some.
need to stay in Jamaica a little time? You need some porridge.
You need some.
You need some food. Okay.
No, she cut it
I
up.
said you don't want any, so it's
He gonna eat some.
Amir, you need to try it.
But you try it. Try it.
Try a little bit.
Wait.
Very different.
Yeah, so you get your stuff.
It tastes like a pear. Cause it's soft.
It tastes like a pear.
Fresh.
You had pear before?
But the pear is not Jamaican.
It's like an apple pear.
Yeah, we know it's shaped like the pear.
It is shaped like a pear. What is it?
But that's not a Jamaican
It's
fruit.
not a Jamaican fruit, so y'all have to import it.
Rainbow?
Store and bar.
Okay, so come here, y'all. We just had the best beef patties. Wait, this is called the
Rainbow bar.
Rainbow Bar.
Vibez Club.
Vibez Club.
Yeah, this is Vibez Club, that is Rainbow Store.
She got a lot of. She do YouTube.
Oh, you do a lot of vlogs?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
She got
Yeah.
thousands of followers.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
All right.
So come here, y'all. They gave us good beef patties. They let us try the sugar cane, try the Jamaican apple. And then we went into this store. I'm gonna show y'all the store across the street. We went into this store and got some little clothes because we had wanted some Jamaican like shirts, shorts and stuff like that. Let me show y'all my food. So oxtails, jerk chicken, rice, vegetables, pasta. We finna get some drinks. So hold on, y'all. So we about to eat right now. I changed.
This ketchup like jelly.
So we about to
Right.
Ooh, did my stomach was turning? Hold on. Okay, I changed. So so we about to eat. All right, y'all. So they end up moving my brother them room, and now they got a room just like us, y'all. So we literally. You was scared? We just scared him because we walked his room. Because literally, this is their room, and ours is not the next one, but the one over. All right, y'all. So I am currently by myself. I just got ready. I put on this little dress because we're finna go to a sports bar, and then later on we have dinner, and now we finna go to this sports bar place, and then dinner, and then we're supposed to be going to an after party, but we're gonna see how that go. So I was really just updating y'all, and I'll tune back in when we get to the sports bar. The sports bar was kind of lit yesterday, so it might be lit today, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's getting close. We down 1 point. Oh, we're down 3 points, I think. Or maybe they didn't make that. We're down 1 point. Come on, look at her in here screaming, y'all. Look at her. We up one. We up one. This man over here talking junk, y'all. Y'all, it's 49 seconds left in the game. 49 seconds left. We up one. There is no room for error. Literally, no room for error. We got free throw shots.
Oh, we good. We got free throws. We gonna hit both. We gonna hit that one. We gonna hit those.
All right. We only got one, brother.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
What's up, YouTube? I'm dead. Y'all, I don't think I've vlogged since... Did I vlog this morning? I don't think I vlogged this morning. I don't think I vlogged since we left the club lounge type thing. But as y'all can see, we was so lit, y'all. Like, it was fun. It was lit. We was turned up. We left there, came back to the room, went to sleep, knocked out. Then we ended up going to get food, and then we just went to the beach. We really been chilling today because we was not feeling that good after yesterday, so we couldn't even like do no excursions. But we're gonna do some more excursions tomorrow, and today we're about to go to Montego Bay. Like, we just kind of want to see like the town and, you know, get a more of the actual Jamaica experience, try the food, the authentic food, you know. So it's currently 3:24. I took some more pictures. Go follow me on Instagram at Zakia Took so you can see my pictures. So yeah, we about to eat first, and then we're gonna go there, and then we probably gonna eat again there because we want to try their food. But we hungry now, so we finna eat now, and then we're gonna go to the town. So make sure you guys stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. Period.
This is perfect.
Y'all, it's lit out here.
This is perfect.
It's alright. If you want to see if I can stop somewhere and you walk. You also can let the window down.
Oh, how?
What time people go to bed? What's happening? They're not sleep, baby.
Give me a box.
Oh, there you go.
Ah! Open it, open it.
How do you open it?
Give me 2 bucks.
Javon, how you open it?
Pinch it and then pull it to my close it with your 2 fingers.
Y'all, I'm getting sugar cane. Thank you. Oh, we outside. to try this. Period. Period. Yeah, don't play with her.
That's a soup.
It's a soup?
Yeah.
How much is it?
I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
It's soup.
I can stay up longer than you.
You have to be ready.
I can stay up longer.
Yeah, I want to taste it. Okay, she's tasting the soup, y'all. What kind of soup is it?
Chicken soup. Pumpkin soup.
Chicken
Pumpkin with
soup.
chicken. Pumpkin with chicken.
Okay. Pumpkin with chicken.
Dumpling and all stuff.
You like it? Oh, I like dumplings.
Let me record you.
Okay.
Let me say the way the dumpling. Carrot, dumpling, corn. This is the dumpling.
Is it recording?
Oh, okay, okay. Let me...
Is it recording?
It's hot to me. Take your time. It's hot. Okay. It's really hot. It has the corn in it.
You just drink it while it's so hot?
He just drank it. You see he's sweating.
You're tough. We like hot food.
I like it though.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Give Javon some. You want some?
Taste it. Let me taste it. Okay. So y'all go follow her. This is where we just got the soup and they have a recipe book.
My name is Chanel Anderson. This is my husband, Derek. You can go to Radiant Living Biz on Instagram. Click the link in the download and order the authentic Jamaican cookbook.
Period. Go get your cookbook, y'all. Y'all, we in the square. Period. Don't play with us. Wait. My pictures are not coming out good. This really where everybody is. As y'all can see, it's so lit right here. Like they just vibing. Good vibes only. Don't play with us. This is Atlantic Station. Hey. Okay, look y'all. There's more food. Jerk chicken. That jump probably too spicy.
There, bro.
That jump probably too spicy though. Yeah. How much is it?
250 or 150.
No, medium.
Okay, thank you. Mango. This is
It's from coconut. Coconut.
Gazada. You do?
Yeah, you like it.
Put my mask down, Lana. Come closer, first of all. It tastes like cake. Tastes like cake? I do. Okay.
It's like a coconut with called a gizzard.
I like it. Tastes like cake. Is the back in there? Touch it now. Period.
What is it?
Y'all, listen to them beat. It's worse than Atlanta with driving, y'all. Listen, do y'all hear it? Period. Look at the little boys. Period. They lit. It's no. All right, y'all. So we at the Hibachi restaurant. Look at my bag. It's so cute. Oh, let me show y'all the fit. Hold on. I went and got the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop. Okay. Why you laughing? So we are at the Hibachi restaurant. They started us off with some sushi. Yeah, get into it. Don't play with us. Look at Lana with these glasses on. Comment down below what event does it look like she just left.
Look at me. Every single one of them has.
I got on this dress, y'all. These areas, good detail.
Like they have shrimp in it. Look at this one.
With the bag. Don't play with us. Yes.
Humpty Dumpty, let's go.
Yeah. Don't play with him. Yeah. Period. Look, y'all missing me. Yeah.
If you're happy and you know it's Catamaran.
I'm dead. Yeah.
Open that mouth.
I'm on the camera. Say she on me on the camera. What's the name? Just give me the light and pass the door.
Open your mouth. Yeah. Look at it.
Ready? One, look at it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, Sean. Sorry. We got the rice,
You about to eat that ramen?
steak, chicken.
Even else?
It's good.
I'm just trying to make sure
I like it.
that's all, you know. I don't want that to be angry.
Alright, you guys. So it is, I think, day 3 of our trip. Don't remember what's the last thing I recorded yesterday. But today we are going snorkeling. Scuba diving. I'm tripping. Scuba diving. But I'm still lit. I got my bathing suit on. I put the shorts on just to walk around. But we are going on a boat today. So I'm definitely going to be taking some pictures on the boat. Which is why I left the white bathing suit for today. It's going to be super cute. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the video because it's finna be lit. Period. Y'all, I never showed y'all the breakfast, but it's a buffet. So I just got an omelet, bacon, potatoes, and some fruit. And yeah, let me test it. Let me test it for y'all.
That one. Pretty good. That man. That one, makeup.
Hold on. What? Alright, you guys, so we're on the boat. Y'all, I know my lace is lifting. Be quiet because we finna go scuba diving, so I didn't want to relay it yet. But so pretty. I got the white bathing suit on for the boat pictures.
Yeah, right. I want to find out something from each and every one here in board. Are you guys ready to have a good time?
Yeah!
No. When you're in Jamaica and you want to respond in a positive way, you say, yeah, man. I'm going to try this one more time. Are you guys ready to have a good time?
Yeah, man!
All right, that's what I'm talking about. Well, run-ins, but most of all, welcome to our beautiful island, Jamaica. What we're now serving, we're serving up some juice, Pepsi, and water. Take one, make yourself comfortable. After all water sports activities, that's when the bar will be officially open.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna climb up this first. This is about to be hilarious. Look at it. Hold on. Yeah. And we in the tunnel. Hold on, y'all. Oh, it's done. Making it.
I wouldn't even be strong. I don't want you to. I want to take your pictures. You got 2 good swimmers. I want to take your pictures, okay?
From all the way over here?
I'm not gonna do that. I'm just not gonna go out there.
Yeah, we finna go out here.
You gonna do it too, Mir? But they gonna give you which one you want?
Yeah. Alright y'all, so we at this restaurant called Sharkies, and it's a popular seafood restaurant. And y'all, look at how we just sitting out here chilling and eating with the dogs. Look at them.
Yeah, I know there's some kids here.
Where the other one at? Where the other dog go? The cat right there. Where is it? Oh, look at the cat, y'all. She's scared of the cat. What the other dog, Javon? So yeah, this Sharkies on the beach. It's nice. I know I look kind of crazy. I had to put a scarf on after we got out the water, because y'all know that lace was coming up. So I had put my scarf on. So this is the look we rocking now. Look at the dogs, y'all.
Yeah. They want this. Oh, they want it.
Alright, you guys. I don't remember what's the last thing I recorded. But today is our last day. Oh my god. And everybody said we need to try their KFC, the barbecue zinger, so that's what we finna get. Yesterday, okay, I recorded the restaurant. I recorded us back in the hotel room. We ended up getting in the pool, getting food, and then we went into Pictures by the Beach this morning in our Jamaica attire. But now we at the KFC. We about to try the barbecue zinger sandwich. So stay tuned for our reviews because they said it's better than the KFC in Atlanta. Okay, y'all, we got it.
Here, we got to break some drinks. You got to handle these. Thank you.
Fries.
Give her fries to love.
Barbecue zinger.
Barbecue zinger.
Oh my God.
And what's this in here?
This one better be the best. This better be the best KFC.
This is the barbecue zinger. Everybody tell us to try it.
You like the fried chicken and gravy?
Yes.
What about some Chinese thing?
That's good. It tastes good. It's messing with Chick-fil-A. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Let me taste it.
It's good.
Come on, you're gonna taste it. You're gonna spoil
Let me
yourself.
taste it.
It tastes like a big sesame chicken now.
The sauce on it is good.
It's good.
That is sensational.
Y'all, we sitting in the airport now eating the mangoes that we got. When I tell y'all these jumps hit, our mangoes do not be this juicy. Like, they so sweet and juicy, just so good. We really tearing the mango up. But I don't even know how to describe it, but it just tastes so fresh and good. But that basically concludes the video. We had a great trip. Y'all want to say anything?
One more.